Let me see if I could get my network là.
Lève ton sac.
Because we... Ah non, c'est bon comme ça, c'est pas grave. Ah, c'est bon, parce que je mets dans le sac en garde bien. So... On a terminé. My people. I want to going home now. This voice, be like I say you quick come today. No, because we just still do fastly. Do my engineer, my people, my group, special group. You know, we make everything easily. We do it like, just like it doesn't hurt us, man. That is a job, man. How far, my people? How market? How market, my people? Now they there. Gamma, I greet you now. Now we small. See the traffic, so boys they go home. So based of say auto finish. That's my daddy for it. I'm closing from my job right now, right away. 8 hours is done, you know. Not easy. The strength that God gave us, the strength that Jehovah gave us for we to use to Lord and fish for ourselves. We already use it this evening. We use a little this evening for this morning, sorry. For this morning, that is for 8 hours. You know, easy. I don't mind me. You say if you tire guy, they be one kind. Whereas so but when I go so where to bury where I are you where to take me go slow. We bury with traffic on auto road matter. And the go slow now can't take more than 1 hour, something minutes, you know, before you reach your home. You know, see I say, man. I greet to my big brother Monday. Good evening, big brother. I hate you, bro. Not to close the time. Your brother they go home now. Man, the traffic now. If you take like 1 hour, 30 minutes, so don't do 8 hours since so. You will still sit down for steady for more than 2 hours, you know. She and say, man, you do all those one come home, you will get time to go the craze for social media as the movie da osa. No when you're doing no with the osa the craze so. Mwe rasta yung idiota. Make mayanka idiota. Francis de BC. So we don't do now 8 hours plus 2 hours, that is 10 hours. You go reach us to you still get time to go put your water guam for your head. Those water gun. Man, my big brother, my work day, we don't do and finish now. Based on saying, I want to going home, you know. That's why I make I just remember this Oriomba on the boards. Oriomba on the beats. The movie that also we are doing. Remember one man, you make a video of Papa. We erase a monkey face. Ow! Well, everyone who have monkey face. Eh? This is Jamie. Now you are monkey face. There you say they wet monkey face. Make it come out to the train station. If you see him, you go do that. Before police call, they don't. Mumu Oruekba. Bigger fool, pig. If you want catch monkey face, you don't know where you will catch monkey face. Not be the same gem on a day there. You fool yourself for social media. You fool yourself. You calamity yourself. You terrorate your children life. They terrorate your wife life. And I go blame your wife, Sha, because your wife believes in based on auto system of Europe. maybe small one thing go happen just now. Another kind go come out. You know how we dey talk am now. Even the Monica talk am that time say me even say some kind of those one they happen. Una know una self. Una know una self. Una know una self. Edwin. Iju wa ti wa bi ona wa re ege nu enu wa re ya very ya. Ege nu ya wina. Iwa ya wait hours we 9 hours we 12 hours nesi. As well with social media. Oh we do gbe wa be do gbelele bi o. Wa be me da ave rasta man da so me do ege de ni mo na gbe po in ipamule. All those rasta when we say man that the new start the craze the metabulary. If you new hit there, you see how they go come wear some rasta shirts, some rasta trouser. Now you go come see another rasta head. So that time they go use those rice sack. They go use that do up. And I had the wolf in this so. Yeah, but make me guy who go to yak balloon went to Buffy. Big woman, the boy, you know, what fully boy here. What's war? Oh, politics worry, we do working away. When I do a lot here, we use our media, we do argue. The mofi when I ladien on ati but when no man vote in God no ba seki we to omo ka agwe. If you don't know ya age we the media. When I ladien if you don't ye age we and then you amu with France na. Gbe me ni agbo eh. So can beat when I go beat you go not say na voice. Na beat you. Not be all those your beat when you dey talk about. Yeah, and so I want cash this man. I go beat him. Now so I go cash the monkey face. Bros, me I go use this your example. The day when I'll cash you for France, you go see the way when I'll take beat you. If I beat you finish, if you see monkey face, you go beat him more than the way when I take beat you. Even you go even kill him. Because why? Those your proper basket mats. When you use the craze, they go bus station, they go train station. Go they talk to our your mumu follower. Say me you they wait Mufi. And they really believe you. They read the right comment for you. Say, hey, may you come out now. May have had I mean why so I tell is that is how you be, but we're not like you're not your man, but we're not here. Ye time where Igba very time now. Iwe edene do many a door edene palace ya ga where almost sono awalelua olalua o adawalelu ekin wo bo wo we ederio akagele yawe ya you lame be doni otonu we vin because iyan we you ka vunto bo se mo go lo musa amagbeni ya we believe what on we vin ya we e ka gbo e ozo na ye ladin no na ye tamebo where it on ogun oba it on in the name of politics, in the name of person where you know say never do something for those states, not be able to renovate. Renovate is not employee now we need. You know see the time I leave for house 6 o'clock, it's 5:30, I wake up 5 o'clock, take my bed, brush, country coffee, see snack, I drive, I reach work 1 hour 30 minutes before I start work 8 o'clock. Till this time around, that kind of person, you go come tell me say man, if they contain the place when they live, if they contain the leader when be say they lead that place, and you go say me make I join the condemn them. Never, because why? They do what the citizens need for them. If we can't even tie, he can't even, cities he can't even tire, they don't want to work again. He can't even sarah for foreigner like us when BC may come be second citizen. You understand? Those things now we want. And the Murphy come out, he said, so you are handed boy. And so you can't end your life. Give them job. Give them. We don't say make you share money. Who say make you share money is a bastard. Because that money belongs to everybody, not supposed to share it to individuals. You should do something for them. You say make you share money, that person na wayward, na coward, na dundee, na orion bar for a door, na orion zolanebe too. We don't need that. Use that money to give us development. This morning now, I not do video for my workplace today because no time to do video today. I just said it. Not be saying my boss not give me permission. No time. Because if I do video, so kind things we did there, I believe say bros. What they use their hand do. You understand? What those people use their hand create as their machine. If I show you people, those our cabal leader, I believe they will meet at home. That is why I don't want to make any video today in my workplace. You understand? We don't say may you give us ego. Mama, when we go ni ma? Ego ni me every month. Ego like be your time away. A professor for my salary when I receive for 1 month. Professor not go receive for 2 months, 3 months for Edo State, for Nigeria, for Europe. Money when I receive. Professor not go receive for Nigeria. And the matter be that. Now person be when be say me, he not go university now be that. We they tell you now say man, we not change the situation. Not be say we hate you now. Now good thing. Era me ya bitan we awa ateme aga bom ne ra mo jebde. Nene oria o daho o ikaho. Share this video. Just because when I get to one, I don't have time for video. Yesterday night, that was is it not our by 9:30 to 10 o'clock? I was with Stainless. Sorry, Stainless. We are just chatting on Facebook. He said, brother, why are you insulting me? That blah 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 blah. I said, sister, I insult you. He said, yes. I said, okay, you are the one that be saying, man, we need changes for our land. We want our land, make people, may they bring work. Anyone will represent us as a governor, as a senator, as a dato, as a chairman, as a local chairman. May they do work. Not be you they shoot, they knock bell, bangara. May they feel do something. Why be say man, this man, why be say man, never even try at all. Now you go the raise 4 finger for. That is what make me insult you, Stainless. I talk to him. Now he begin say, bros, you suppose you think me she not coward. She not be coward oh. She not be that oh. Bros, now hostage, now they run am oh. But at the time so he said expect to him he can't give me. He sent a picture give me. He said, bro, see what he go do for Nigeria. He said, now barrier. Now he go do. He said the coffee, the casket, the time where Undertaker they use that casket, they dance right from mortuary. Stainless send it to me. He said, brother, this is what I go Nigeria for. Not be the Obaseki Matayin day, Naishi day. But the system they take hold of ransom. When it come and so say man, Ogba, Tegba, Togba. So I reason that word. I can't go for some video where people showed. I showed that video. I can't see that name where she take the Facebook. I see when she comment on one video, say man, allow Egba. I can say okay, maybe they hold this girl hostage. They hold her ransom for Nigeria. I tell am say my sister sorry, make you no vex. But at the time, so if you dey tell person say you go rule another 4 years, make it take complete 8 years, that person tell am, since you don't see am face to face, crow eye, see me, look my eye, you go tell am say, man, brother, oh, you say you dey come for this door for the second 4 years, brother, what you don't do for us now? Hey, brother, they go begin put you for motor. My cousin was with you about Obaze. They will begin put you for motor. Say, now governor do here, oh, you go do video there, show out to the world. They go really know say that governor do one. If anybody don't do video, say may not be governor do one. My sister, your liberator is finished. That is what I said, man. For you to be saying, talk about, and you go there, you don't see us. What is the benefit of the people? 100% of Nigeria that comes back from Nigeria, they always say, man, the situation of Nigeria is bad. The situation of Nigeria is bad. Now, you as my sister, you go there, you just go raise 4 for 4. And what to make me write your name, John, that evil man will carry you go there. When be say my name, na be Edimofi Idaosa. Or knowing your work and be a D. Eddie go come out for social media. He go hold paper. He go say this paper is coming from palace. Iye mi palace for ni are dini ya. Do ni diya gele gie diya magele gie. Iye mi palace for. Uwe kenu wena tie wanu wewa ogiyobani una ye dunu yi uwana utie ni that is the message nu wogele ke palace re. You are a bastard. You are a real bastard and you will remain a bastard. Bastard you can't my guy. E beke palace ne re we nu tie wanu ogiyoba eya we mo nu we ya de so yi we utiona wa tiona e dia wa be you are. Irastani agbalewe o okay eziza agbuwe na eziza agbal ewe mu yun ni duwe ma eziza nu mepe agbalo na Edimofi Idaosa no we are doing eziza nu mo pe agbalo ohun na Holy Ghost fire odo total na odo gin yakwa keke eziza no mu yun odo gin yakwa because why you are terrorist who will terrorize as a terrorist who will terrorize Iviedo the social media and who terrorize in the name of the palace or you terrorize Iviedo and the name of the say you the enter inside palace that make you they come out as you swear say you not vote for Godwin now so you picking go there nobody ask you brother the day when you go enter France I go ask you Ogwamba Agboe and then one like France I don't go talk to Abat. Abat na my cousin even here tama woni. Abat ya women ye uvedo, emini ye uvedo. Onaga emino mane do enika omudiane. Oto mudiane, owa mudiane, ode mudiane, egwane mudiane. Oh de ba ogboka. Owa okay gun wa le wa ma, ogun wa le Regina ma because we Regina potopoto ne, gun wa teni wa tawo, dai wa we for you go le godu egi mu me, iwa le wa sun. Brother, Ije avie beje, Ije ordini, Ije oja. Believe me, I say no, guy. I say no. I say we era me akobe, iyoge no. Amu diana VBS. Away money Bunan 18, 19, they want to ride big Oma jeeps. But they don't want to know the situation of Oma jeep. What a man of 70 years, of 80 years have got. You a boy of 15 to 16, 17, 18, 19. You say you want to just get what a man of 80 years have got. You say you want to get it for under your age. Because why? There is a ritual everywhere. Now, political ritual. If you support this one, you condemn you do this, then you will get the money. Those are the political rituals. Brother, that is what I know for that side. Believe me. But Edimofi, you will your days Europe, don't spend many years for Jamie. Jamie can't give you passport. In the name of say you don't get experience for Europe how to lead your people for Africa. Now you can't destroy people for Europe. Now you go destroy your head. Now your fans, now you they destroy your follower, your fans, and the people that send you those messages, now you they destroy. You can never destroy the innocent citizen of Edo State. Believe me, I told you and I promise you that. You understand? Because you are a nenepute. It's something. You understand? When I don't want to go now, a presenter and the remedy have one go. But atama we given a kenukiari. Atama we given a kenukiari. When you be tiny where only be carry no wa be any other me. Where I do where I do where here we can ve or where vugu every our pata we can ve every me our pata na da e di mafia we pata na da brother e da no ahun mi no ade yo to da wa so ahin mi ma no more ba social media wa be you are uwe gbese be ran we bo gan anya ma be mo nu ni ma be ti be anya no wa gba lo ma anya na wa gba lo ma anya no we you know make I tell you we freedom fighter we believe or catapult. You are not now. You're the color there. You're the color for your media there. You're the swore. See, look at person when they talk to you and they come for work. So you see me. You see me. See on my uniform. I did inside motor. I they come for work. Was you everywhere? You understand? Look me. You don't see the company. See, make I show you where me you see. See. Anyway, you know where if not Germany now you they work same you really they work for Citizen Place. You see how the company went for the work Citizen Company. When businessmen they use their hand create right from childhood. Was the Murphy? You know me allow it be. One more rebel no that is no gear one. In the name of say you want to collect money for Godwin. If God will do something for me, as I said to you, I always said it. I don't like Godwin. I don't like Oshiomhole. You understand? Today, I will say the reason why I say I don't like Oshiomhole. You understand? Godwin, why I don't like Godwin? For this regime, what would they so? Brother, if you talk of suffer when we say Edo State, and this regime, these 3 years so, when we say you want suffer 4 years so, now we see the suffer. Because why? If you see people when they don't pack enter Europe, church became small children. Come my street, come my village when I stay, my city when I stay, come see prostitute all in Nigeria. They lie, small girl are from 14 to 15 years, they line up. Now God will not pass a regime there for commands. People they die for Libya now since 2016, 17, 18. Now those things too much. Heavy where but you know say man na truth now we dey talk. And Oshiomhole do one thing when be say man me myself I hate him. I say I will never support Oshiomhole. And if you come as if whatever you represent Edo, I still have the time to carry my masquerades and focus on you. That is Adamalio Oshiomhole. A woman, a widow. Where Adamalio Oshiomhole was a governor of Edo State, a woman, a widow. I don't know what happened. They said the woman strayed on his along this tie road, a ring road or whatever. Now Oshiomhole came there with his crook and his boys and his stores and the rest. The woman was shouting. The Oshiomhole give command for them to arrest that woman. That is why I say I don't like Oshiomhole and I will never like Oshiomhole. You understand? Because I'm a child of God. Oshiomhole said they should arrest that woman. A governor that come with crowd, he said they should arrest that woman with a train, maybe that woman now train. She put train for head. All those hockey. They say they should arrest that woman. Oshiomhole give command. He said you should arrest that woman. And when that woman shot, when she was crying, she said, "Sir, Daddy, please, I'm a widow. I lost my husband for many years ago. I'm a widow. I take care of my children only." Oshiomhole said, "If you are a widow, go and die." That word paid me. I cried for more than 7 to 14 days. When he was a governor, I keep that word, and that video is with me. I will bring that video out. That is why I say every day I don't like Oshiomhole, and I will never like it. Because why? For that place, what he have done there, God is already condemning as a governor, as a human being. A woman cried out. He said that I'm a widow, sir. Please, can you forgive me? I will never do it. See, Oshiomhole said, if you are a widow, go and die. And they took that woman with in train and those sugar and granola. When she was said, they took those things to police station. That is why me, Voice of Justice, I will never support Oshiomhole. I support the governor that will bring Edo to the great, that will carry everybody, both the widow, both the I be this, I be that, because our logo, when we take grow up as a politician, I those survive. That is how we take grow up. So if you can't tell me say now you can't go pass, I not go there your side. That is why Oshiomhole matter not send me. I not go even talk and say me, hey Oshiomhole, hey now you. But anybody come out for this wuru so we also see and say man, I need fresh body. Bros will support them, but me I not get supporter when I dey support now. But if you do something, I go bring you down, I go tear you, so that may you get this one. You understand? That is why if you watch all my video, I always say, God, do not baseki. Your regime never finish you. You still have 1 year. But if it's used that 1 year, they change the situation of Edo. Even though you not change and finish, it limits those people that call themselves thugs, cultists, fighting themselves, doing whatever they want to do. Now my area be this. Stop all those things and give them job. Let them work. If you give them job, all of them occupied, everybody good morning, good evening. And the way we do in Europe, well, we support you. Not anybody that say that it will never complete. But we humiliate that person. We will tell that person that you are the Ogionba what we really want. But not be saying man, those things never happen. You never employ. You the one where you employ, not be saying they don't grant say oh, but all those one where you the shot you talk about all and still Agberu. Maybe you want to carry on from the highest Agberu to lowest Agberu. But you remember, say the lowest Agberu, if it become the highest again tomorrow, when you don't build the hotel again, when you don't build many things like the highest Agberu, use your sense. If you do something for that 1 year, we remain. Me Voice, I go join you as my brother did with you about the cracking box. If you not do something like that, say man, that 1 year, when remain so. You're the user, you're the share money, make you feel, make people feel does you, brother. Now say go be. Now we still join. God bless you everyone. This is Voice of Justice. I'm back from job. So from the company car to my car over there, you can see my jalopy over there. That is my jalopy. Watch it back. That is my jalopy. So when I get down for company car, get on from here to my home is about 30 minutes. That is how we do, bro. Believe me, Godwin, we have you win and if you do. Hakba, I'm a baby sing when I was bogu. Why so what butter. I'm again no agmina. No do a tear, who should be let everybody occupy. You are a diaspora governor. You know what be work. My diaspora you for go school. Change the situation. If you change and not be to the speak big English. Now me call you parrot. Parrot not be to the speaking big English. What we know, change the system of our land.
Sure.
You understand? Change the system. The money is there. Yeah. Everything is there. You understand? So God bless you, everyone. This is my good friend. You can see him from Kenya.
Have peace, you know.
You know, this is...
You don't have to suffer in Europe.
Yes.
Africa, we've got all minerals, petrol.
Yes.
How comes we do their work here?
Yeah.
We have to go back home.
Yeah.
Governor, please.
Yes.
You don't have to suffer.
Yeah.
We want one money in Africa, one passport. We can travel Nigeria, South Africa, Kenya, Zimbabwe, Botswana, Nigeria. Everywhere we can go. We need one passport, one currency. Big up, Rastafari. We always follow Rastafari, Lion's Order, peace and love, you know.
Yeah, one love, man. Yeah, that is my good friend from Kenya, you know. That is my little brother. Because why? We love ourselves, you know.
Yeah, man.
We are Africa brothers. We love ourselves. My friend, my good brother is from Kenya. I'm from Nigeria. So we are one love to the family.
One passport, one currency.
What we are saying and what we are doing for those people with our talent, we want it to be happen in our state. That is where we are getting hungry. Not that we hate anybody. We don't hate anybody.
Yeah.
I know how much I receive a month, but I can't go there and be doing stupid on the street.
Yes.
But when those people is working, when they are really working, those call themselves thugs or whatever, labor, I believe when they come home, just to get a little food and get sleep to tomorrow morning. That is how we do.
And we never beg.
That is how we beg. And you will never beg. And you never see. Then you will know the secret of those frauds that call themselves foundation. You will know the secret of those fraudsters that call themselves foundation. And because the government not do something, now you they see them say, man, they fraud on Facebook, they donate full everywhere. But if you do something, my governor, if you do something, you employ, as you say, man, you are going to give 200,000 job, I bet 200,000 job. If you 100,000 or 150,000, is a pass mark. 120,000 is a pass mark. 130,000 is a pass mark. So when you do that, 140,000, 160,000 is the pass mark. When you do that, we will support you. We will say you will come back. But 1 year remain. Try copy the code.
Yeah.
C'est pas la force, c'est la tête. Not be power. Na sense.
We go wise. We not go tall.
You hear that? C'est pas la force, c'est la tête.
C'est la tête.
Not be power. Na sense. Use your sense. Bring Edo back to the normal stage. We support you for this 1 year. If not, Nana. No matter those people that are collecting money from you, raising their forefinger, telling them talk back, bro, that just disgrace themselves. Those cabal that really change mind that they want to do something, that they will betray you. Believe me. You have 1 year. Do something. God bless you, everyone. May you remain blessed. Tomorrow, going to be on job. After work, voice is on air.